Good morning, students. Now I'm going to explain chemical bond part 3. Now continues our topic. In ionic bond, no bond is 100% ionic in nature. Ionic in nature. Some percentage of covalent character is present in that one. This was explained by based on polarizability. Based on polarizing and polarizability of cation and an ion. Now polarizing power is directly proportional to charge on cation, but inversely proportional to size. Now polarizability is directly proportional to charge and also directly proportional to size. See some example. The polarizing power increases. NaCl, now MgCl2, now AlCl3. In this one, increasing order. Na plus is less than Mg plus 2 is less than Al plus 3. Now Al plus 3. Similarly, one more example, that is the AlF3 comma AlCl3 comma AlBr3 comma AlI3. In this case, F minus is less than, Cl minus is less than, Br minus is less than, I minus. It is the increasing order. It is increasing order. Is very important. These two example on board exam point of view. NEET exam very important. They given the previous in these two questions. They are given the previous. They are asking NEET and IIT. This is very important. Read properly. Now next concept I am going to explain, that is isomorphism. What does that mean by isomorphism? Means, see, if you NaF and MgO are isomorphous due to similar electronic structure. Similar means the atoms or ions, they shows the ions they show similar electronic structure. These are called as isomorphisms. That is, now I'm taking, if we say Na plus, electron combination 2,8, F minus, it is also 2,8 by gaining of electron, Mg plus 2, it is also 2,8, and O2 minus, it is also 2,8. These are all having similar electronic structures. These are called as isomorphous. Similarly, if we take example 2, that is K2S and Ca2Cl. In this case also K2,8 S 2,8 2,8,8 2,8,8. Now Ca and Cl. Now in this case it is minus 2, it is the plus 2 minus. Now it is also 2,8,8 2,8,8. This is also they are similar electronic structures. They have similar electronic structure, then this is called as isomorphism. This is also, these two examples also very important. They ask the previous NEET and JEE exams. Very important examples. What is the mean by isomorphism? Isomorphism means they are similar electronic structure is called as isomorphism. Now see here the examples are, these two are there's isomorphism, these two are isomorphism. There's isomorphism. Next one I'm going to explain formal charge. Now formal charge I'm going to explain formal charge. Now charge is factor based on the pure covalent bond by the sharing of electron is equal in neighboring atoms is called as formal charge. Now the QF is equal, we have the standard formula, QF is equal to Na minus Nm is equal to, or Na minus NLP minus 1 by 2 NBP. This is the formula we can use for the formal charge. Now this QF, it is nothing but formal charge. Na nothing but number of electrons in the valence shell free atom, number of N means number of electrons present in the molecule minus is equal to, next one LP, number of electrons in unpaired electrons or lone pair of electrons, and bond pair of electrons, number of bond pair of electrons. This is for using